Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide category only in single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page and then you see SKU category tag. So we will hide category only. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this remove action, first we are going to hide category SKU tag, and then by using this code we will again show tag, and by using this code we will again show SKU. So only hide category. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page and refresh the page. Now you see tag and SKU only. So we hide category in single product page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.